Welcome back, guys, to Christine's Jamaican Kitchen. Today we're doing chicken chop suey. Yes, you heard that right. If you know Jamaicans' motto, it is out of many, one people. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as more recipes are available. This is all my ingredients that I need for this dish. Oil, all-purpose, black pepper, browning, salt, allspice, carrots, cabbage, bok choy, garlic, bell pepper, spicy peppers from the backyard, sweet peppers, thyme, red onion, lime, scallion, and these scallions are straight from my backyard. Look at these big boys. Vinegar, and of course, your chicken. Meat is already clean, washed, and seasoned for a couple of hours well. I have all my powder seasoning. Actually, I had half of my powder seasoning on it marinating right now with some of my red onions on it and garlic. My vegetables, they are all chopped, washed, chopped, and ready to go. My peppers right in here and the rest of my seasoning right up in here. Let's go cook. Add in the oil to the hot pot, medium heat. Go ahead and start sauteing your meat. At this point, I'm just gonna add a little bit of browning because I want my meat to have that nice color. I don't want it to look white. That's a top. You don't want to do too much. You do too much, it's gonna have that taste of that browning. So basically just let it sit like this. So I've been going at this for around 15 minutes. So I'll just let it sit with the top off so I could get that color before I cook it down. Ready to add my chopped up seasoning, my peppers, so this is all my scallion, my onion, my garlic, thyme, and tomato, optional, but I have my tomato in here. One cup water. Put your lid on, let it cook. After 15 minutes of simmering, so we did 15 minutes without the lid on, then 15 minutes of simmering with 1 cup of water. I am ready to add my carrots, my cabbage, my Bok Choy. I'd left some of my onion, scallion, and thyme, and of course my tomato for this part. And also the half of seasoning, powder seasoning. Because remember we did half on the chicken. So we left the half for this section. All right. Put your lid on. Dinner is ready. My chicken chop suey is ready, and I fixed some white rice to go with it. Look at it, guys. Isn't it lovely? Oh my gosh, look. Just take a look. And you notice I don't have a lot of water, a lot of gravy going on. You don't need a lot of gravy for this dish. Let me go ahead and dig in. As usual, the vegetable is crunchy. Crunchy, not overcooked. Perfect. Well seasoned, just right. Guys, try this dish. Bye. Bye for now. Shout out to DJ and Nikki. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.